Welcome back to the CINCH Tips Series, your quick and easy guide to getting the most out of CINCH Quilt. In this tip, we'll explore the line drawing tool in the Group and Block Designer. This advanced tool is perfect when you want to create completely custom shapes or patches, or trace an image to turn it into a cuttable pattern. You'll find the line drawer tool in the Shapes and Tools section. It looks like a single line icon. Once activated, your cursor changes, letting you know the tool is ready. To start drawing, click and hold your mouse on the grid where you want the shape to begin. While holding the mouse button, move your cursor across the canvas. As you do, you'll see your lines snap neatly to the grid. By default, every point snaps to the grid lines. But what if you want more freedom? Hold down the Shift key while drawing. With Shift held, your mouse moves freely without snapping, giving you full control. Release the Shift key when you're ready to snap back to the grid. This flexibility makes it easy to combine precise edges with smooth custom lines. As you draw, notice the line follows your cursor from the last anchor point. When you're happy with your patch, simply release the mouse button. The line drawer will automatically close the shape by connecting back to your starting point. And here's a quick tip. If the tool snaps somewhere you didn't intend, press backspace. This removes the last point you placed, and you can keep pressing backspace to undo multiple points until you're back on track. Once your custom shape is complete, it behaves just like any other patch in CINCH Quilt. You can stretch or scale it with a bounding box, adjust individual points with Shift, and paint it with colors or images to match your design. Adjust your grid size in the Parameters panel to get more or less precision. Turn off the grid completely for a true freeform drawing experience. For simple shapes with only a few points, it's often faster to start with predefined shapes and manipulate them, saving the line drawer for when you need complex, unique patches. And that's the line drawer tool. It's one of the most powerful ways to bring unique ideas to your quilt design, giving you total freedom beyond predefined shapes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next CINCH tip.